In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import bulk contacts to your chatbot and how to trigger a message or specific message that you want to send to those contacts. For example, if you have a use case like where you are importing contacts manually to your chatbot and you can notify them with a welcome message or intro. So this automation will be easily done using this workflow setup. So for this demo, I'm going to use this CSV file. We only have a number and email. I'm going to send a template notification message and a email notification as well as soon as the contact is imported. So let's set up the workflow that just set up the subflow, and this will be the trigger. Based on the trigger, this will be the flow will be we're going to send to them. So let's call it as intro. So let me name this flow as intro message. So the first thing we want to do is send them a template notification. So for that, let me, in your case, if you don't have any templates, go to contents and message templates. You can click on the sync. If there is any template message previously or you have created, it will show up here. If you don't have, you can create a template message. So in my case, I already have a template message, so we're gonna use that. So go to message templates. Now here I can click on edit. Let me search for a template. We're going to use this hello world template for this demo use case. As soon as the template is sent, we need to send them an email. In your case, if you want to do it, you can either go with any of this option. We're gonna use the basic version that is in the action. We're going to use the email automation, email notification. Click on edit action. Here you can select the email profile. In our case, we already added our system profile, or I have already connected my email. If you are using Gmail or whatever email profile you are using, you can select that, and here you can map the variable which I will show you how you can map it. In my case, we are going to use a system variable, that's why I mapped it. Let me set up the template email content also. I'm typing something randomly. Let's click on save. Now that is done. So let's publish it. Whenever you're using email, if the email is not getting sent, means that means the email that you added is not opting for any emails. If you want to do it manually, you can do it. So this is the best way how you should use this feature is whenever you're collecting an email through your WhatsApp, or those who have given the consent for email updates, only make sure to enable it. If you unnecessarily enable it for other users, if they feel like your email is spamming, they can block it, or it could affect your email rates and all, like sending limits or rates, whatever platform you're using. So make sure to use it in the right advisable way or manner. So let's now our message content is ready, everything is done. Now let's set up the automation. For that, click on this automation tab. From here you can click on tag, and here you can look for the tag added, or you can search for it. Just simply search for it and you can find this tag, specific tag. So in our case, I think we don't have any tags created, so make sure you create that first. Let's head back to the content, then tag, create a tag. So this way it will give you little more specified control, whenever you are uploading a specific content, you can define a tag. Based on the tag, you can send a different automation for them. So in this demo, we're going to create a tag called intro. Let me save this. So we have created a tag. Now let's go back to automations. Let's look for that automation that we want. So let's select this. Let me give a name here, intro, and let's enable it. So let me explain what is going to happen whenever we importing a contact and we are adding a tag to them. I will explain how you can do that next. So whenever this tag is added to that specific contact, whatever message or as a flow you are connected here, that will be get triggered instantly. So now let's have a look at, let me go import the contact. Let me also show you the WhatsApp as well. Okay, here is our WhatsApp. Let me import the contact. Let's select the CSV file. Now, whatever data you have on the CSV file, based on that, it will show you the path or the sample data. So for name, you can use any variable. We'll go with the first name, system variable. For font, since it's a WhatsApp channel, make sure you are mapping the right variable. And for the email also, you can use the system variable. When you go to the next step, you can select the tag you want. This tag I previously deleted, that's why it's not showing any name. This is a new tag that we created, so select this and make sure you are enabling this. You can see one contact has been created, one user created. You can see it's opted for email also. Let me open it up. Let's go to the chat. You can see template is been triggered. Let's have a look at on our WhatsApp. You can see the template message got sent. You can see we got the template message. The notification got sent to the number. So this way, like whenever you're importing contacts directly to your chatbot, you can run a intro basic automation like this. You can send them a welcome message from your side. Make sure you have an active payment gateway or payment methods connected to your Meta WABA that you are connected, you're using. Then only the template message will send. This is the test message. That's why it's giving an error here. In your case, if you don't have an active payment method with your Meta or WABA that you created, that error will show up here. So that's it. So here you can see the email also got sent. That's why this option is showing here. So that's for the video. And if you have any other questions or anything, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.